Good morning. We're back on the Mazda doing coil packs on it. Yesterday developed a miss. It had been sitting for quite some time before we bought this car. It's got the dual overhead cam, 16 valve engine, 2.3 in this one. And I've already got the parts out. They're relatively easy to get out. That's your old coil packs. And bring you guys in here and show you what's going on. So your coil packs sit underneath that cover, directly inside there. You can get these coil packs as a set of 4 from, AutoZone, Advanced Auto for $100, or you can get all 4 from Amazon for 40 bucks. So all you do is pull that plastic cover. It'll be sitting here on the top of your engine. Pull it off, unbolt your 8mm bolts, which are more like studs that hold your coil packs in. Pull them out, pull your coil packs out, and set them aside. The Amazon kit comes with 4 new spark plugs and all of your new coils. I haven't got any wrong parts from them yet. They let you put in your car and the model you got and everything. There's the new coil packs at the set of 4. We've already took a 5/8 socket, reached down in there and pulled out the spark plugs. They all look fairly good. They're a little dirty from valve cover leak. This valve cover actually seals off your spark plugs holes. It's a little moist in there, but nothing to be worried about. As long as it's not got oil flowing out the top of it or anything crazy, most of the time it's just a seep, and you should be good to go. But I'll bring you guys along as we put the new coil packs in there. Hopefully you can see what's going on down here. Go. And these spark plugs are definitely not the best quality, but you know what? We're not building a race car. We just want this car to run. We want it to run good. And those are probably, the spark plugs that were in there probably had 180,000 miles on them. I doubt they had ever been changed. So doing something's better than nothing. All right, got four new spark plugs. We're gonna ease them down in there with the magnet tool. Just gently drop them in there. Make sure they all got 35 thousandths gap. Yep, it's gapped. Perfect. Once again, as long as they're not smashed down and you can see an air gap in there between the end of the spark plug, it's gonna be fine. I'm not building a race car yet. Hopefully one day. Get them started by hand until I can feel that the threads have started. It's definitely started. And you probably won't want to run them in there with an impact. But if you're careful, it'll probably be mostly okay. coil pack number 1. This car came up with an engine miss for cylinder 3 after driving it for about 200 miles since it had set for 5 years. And we diagnosed it last night by unplugging one of the wires that go to the coil, and there was no change in the engine. I didn't have a scan tool hooked up. I didn't do anything fancy. I just unplugged the wire that actually plugs to the coil pack, and that cylinder had no change in how the engine was firing. So I knew that that coil wasn't sparking because of the way that it was. For this one, we'll turn the impact gun all the way down to 1. That's it. Job done. These are little plastic studs that go on there to hold that cover on. Looks like it's missing a stud. Have I worked on this before? Yep, missing some parts there. All right, let's give her a whirl and see if it runs better. Seems to be nice and quiet now. The check engine light's still on. It'll time out here in a little while, or we'll hook the stand tool up to it and make it go away. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this is helpful.